guys, Bronte here. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a clean with me, and it is the first ever clean with me in our new house. I'm going to be cleaning the entire downstairs, so if that is something that you are interested in, stick around and continue watching for all of your cleaning motivation. And if you are new, hit that red subscribe button and join the family. I'm going to start in the kitchen, and I'm going to be using this Caldrea Basil Blue Sage countertop spray to clean my counters. It smells divine, and if you haven't tried it, I highly recommend it. It smells so good. I am also going to be wiping down these mason jars that we use to store our rice, quinoa, and coffee beans in. I got these jars at Costco a few months ago. I'll try to find something similar or these, and I'll link them below for you guys. I get asked about them quite often, and I love them so much. I'm going to be using this all-purpose cleaner with bleach. It's a great value brand from Walmart, and it works super well to clean the sink. I'm going to be cleaning the sink, the drain, and around the sink, including the faucet. And now I'm moving on to dusting the plantation shutters in our kitchen and our dining area using a Swiffer duster. Usually there's a wand that goes with it, but I have two little children and they like to play with it, so it has disappeared into the abyss that is our house. Now I'm going to be cleaning my dining table using this Pledge multi-surface antibacterial cleaner in a citrus scent. It works so well. It is definitely multi-surface use, and it is antibacterial, which I love. I do feel like it is a little pricey for how long it lasts. It didn't last me very long, but it does work well and it does smell good, so there's that. I'm going to be using that all-purpose bleach cleaner again to clean my white appliances. I hadn't really cleaned them off, like the surfaces of them, since moving in, so I definitely wanted something that was going to kill any germs and bacteria really well. So I'm going to be using the bleach cleaner to clean this dishwasher.
But I still love you like I do. It breaks my heart, no text, no calls.
I'm going to be using that Pledge multi-surface antibacterial cleaner on the outside of the cabinets as I make my way through the kitchen. They really needed to be cleaned. I never cleaned the outside of the cabinets or the outside of the appliances before moving into our house. I only cleaned the inside, so I'm going to be scrubbing off any gunk and grime that was left behind by the previous owners of this house using that Pledge multi-surface cleaner.
Away with me, I made you feel alright. Run away with me, and I'll be good this time around. I'll be good this time.
I'm going to be using that Great Value bleach cleaner again on the outside of my oven door, not the inside. Don't worry, you guys, I'm not putting bleach in the oven, but I just wanted to make sure to really get any gunk and grime off of the oven and pretty much every appliance, because I'm kind of a weirdo and I just don't want somebody else's germs and grime on my stuff. I'm also removing the knobs from the stove, the gas on and off knobs, and I'm going to be cleaning behind those and cleaning the knobs themselves.
Love you like I do. Oh, it breaks your heart, no text, no call.
And now now moving on to my stove. I am removing the grates so that I can really get this stove clean using the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day multi-surface cleaner in the mint scent. This is one of my favorite Mrs. Meyer scents besides the honeysuckle, and I'm going to be using this because it works super well and it gives the kitchen a nice fresh scent. I use this pretty much all over the stovetop and it works great. I'm even using it on the discs that cover up the little gas burners. The burners, that's what they're called. And then I'm going to be putting the grates back on the stove once I'm done cleaning. I'm also going to be using the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day to clean the outside of my microwave. I had already cleaned the inside of my microwave before moving in, but I'm going to give the door a quick wipe down and get everything just clean and fresh.
Run away with me. Come home with me tonight. Run away with me.
I'm using that bleach cleaner again to wipe down my refrigerator. Like I had said before, I'm using this on all of my white appliances except for the microwave.
Run away with me. And I'll make good this time around.
And now that the kitchen and dining area have been wiped down, dusted, and cleaned up, I am going to vacuum the floors in the dining and the kitchen area to get up any dust, dirt, and crumbs that may be left behind on the floor before I move on to the living room area. I'm using my Shark Rocket vacuum and I am obsessed with it. It works so well and it's super easy to maneuver and it is really lightweight and easy to store. And now we are moving on to the living room. I have two little helpers cleaning up with me, and as you can see, there is a blow-up pool in my living room, taking up most of the living room. The kids just got this as a gift from their auntie, and they were super excited about it, so naturally we had to blow it up, and they played with it in the living room, filling it up with all the toys, and it was kind of like a playpen. But now we need to clean it up, get it out of here, so I can continue cleaning up the house. And now I'm going to be moving on to dusting this little entertainment center area that we have going on here. I'm dusting the soundbar and this shelving unit using a Swiffer duster without the wand again. And I'm also going to be removing this big huge pool from my living room so that I have space to work in and clean everything up. While I'm in the business of wiping stuff down, I figured, hey, why not wipe the garage door down and our little closet door using that all-purpose bleach cleaner and just a towel and get everything super nice and clean and get any dirt and grime and handprints, whatever it may be, off of the doors. I am also going to be wiping down the baseboards using that bleach cleaner and the towel too. And now, before I move on to anything else in the living room area, I am going to straighten up the couch, fluff the pillows, fold the blanket, and put this couch back together, get the couch looking a little bit less of a disaster with the help of Kingsley. And now I'm moving on to dusting the plantation shutters in our living room area. Yes, I did drop the duster, and yes, I just kept on moving along because you know what? You just got to keep trucking on. So I'm just going to dust everything and then move on to the next chore on my list. Now I'm going to vacuum up the living area and vacuum up the couch because I've already vacuumed up the dining and the kitchen area. as you can see, being a mom and cleaning, as you moms know, is not an easy task. I swear it is a vicious, never-ending cycle of just picking up toys as I'm trying to get the house cleaned, and I'm sure a lot of you can relate to me. But I'm also going to be using my Shark vacuum on the couch to get any crumbs off because, you know, children, crumbs, those two things go together hand in hand. Even though I tell them not to eat on the couch, we still get crumbs on the couch. Tegan and Kingsley actually really like to help me clean sometimes. He asked to vacuum, so I took full advantage. Look how cute they are. I took full advantage of him wanting to vacuum, and I got to clean the doors using that all-purpose bleach cleaner, and I got to clean the baseboards while he vacuumed up the hallway for me. It was so nice because this door was super grimy and definitely needed to be cleaned. I'm moving on to our half bathroom now. I'm using the all-purpose bleach cleaner to clean the sink and around the sink. And then I am also going to be using Windex on our mirror and wiping everything down. I had cleaned the bathroom not too long ago, so it definitely didn't need a super deep cleaning, but still needed a cleaning, especially the toilet. The toilet always needs to be cleaned. But, you know, that's a tale for another time. Boy moms, you feel me, you know what I'm talking about. I'm going to be using the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner to clean the top of the toilet and the toilet handle, and then I'm going to be using this Lysol bathroom cleaner to clean the floors around the toilet and clean the base of the toilet to make sure that I get any piddle that may be on the floor. And then I'm going to use the Clorox toilet cleaning bleach gel to clean the inside of the toilet bowl. I'm using the Up and Up version of the Lysol spray to disinfect our trash can. I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day multi-surface cleaner to clean the outside of our washing machine and the outside of our dryer. I'm going to wipe everything down because there's fingerprints on it, and I'm also going to be wiping the tops of the dryer and the washing machine to dust them. I did wipe the inside of the doors because they were a little bit grimy, and I did wipe down the inside of the ring in the washing machine. I didn't spray the cleaner inside though, I just used the rag to clean everything. But while I was cleaning the washer and the dryer, I noticed how disgusting it was between the washer and the dryer and behind them. So I had to get the shop vac out and clean that because it was disgusting. There was piles of dog hair, there was towels, there was trash, there was all sorts of stuff, and it was not from us. I'm going to mop my floors using this Armstrong multi-surface floor cleaner and my O-Cedar ring mop that I am absolutely obsessed with. Thank you, Monica, for the recommendation. It is the best mop ever. But this floor cleaner, the scent just isn't it, so I'm not going to be buying this again, even though it does work really well. So if a scent doesn't bother you, definitely buy this floor cleaner. It just doesn't have a super fresh scent, and I want something that smells really good. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel for all things motherhood, lifestyle, and weekly cleaning motivation. We would love to have you stick around and join the family. Next week's cleaning video is going to be an empty house cleaning of our old rental house. So if that's something you're interested in, hit that red subscribe button and stick around. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.